Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Zycajessmoney, and this is Zycajessmoney, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja. If you are looking for a way to make a passive income aside from your regular income, then this video is for you. Are you a working class? Are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you with or without a job? Then you are in the right place, because on this video I'll be sharing with you some of those tips that I promised in my previous introduction video. Yes, I'll be sharing with us some apps and websites that you can actually be making money from at the comfort of your home. Yes, guys, with just two things, with just your phone and your data. So guys, let's dive in. So I have some of these paying apps that I listed here that I'll be sharing with us on how you can actually be earning while sitting at home. Number one app is NRA Workers. This app is an app of employer-employee. In this particular app, hence you have your skill, you will get your job, you go in there, sign in a normal way of signing in. You sign in, look for your skill there. You will definitely see one skill that suits you, look for it, offer that skill of yours, and start making your money. That just it. It's as simple as that. Yes, guys, do that and thank me later. So guys, this wonderful one is called Hookit. And this very one is simple. You can make money in this very particular one on a daily basis. How does it work? Very simple. Just download this very app, sign up in this very app, and start making your cool cash on a daily basis. Yes, guys, you make money in this app, number one, by referring other people to start using this app, using your code. That is one. Number two, you make money in this very app by also doing some social media task. What is that task? The task you're talking about is posting adverts of brands and companies on your social media accounts, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, all those your accounts. By posting adverts of those people's products in that account, you are making money on it. Hence people are viewing it, hence people are seeing it, you are making money out of it. Another juicy one on this particular app is the one that you can actually make money like 100,000 naira in a month, is reselling other people's products. In this very app, you will see how other people's products are being posted on the app, just like Jumia. So you can resell that product and make extra income for yourself. Yes, product like accessories, home appliances, kitchen appliances, kitchen utensils can actually be reselling. You can see other products there. You can resell and make your cool cash, sitting pretty at home, without investing, without doing anything, without so much stress, without even adding one money, without even using 1 naira to start. You start making money, guys. There's another wonderful app that I have for you, and this app is called SApp app. This particular app, guys, is a third-party website. In this very app, you can be able to host your online courses. In this particular app also, you can sell your digital products and make money while sitting pretty at home. This very digital product I'm talking about is your ebook, your e-courses, your pictures, etc. So many of us have skills that we don't know how to put it out there for people to learn from us. Some of us have the skill of cooking, some have the skill of sewing. There are so many other skills that we have out there. So how do you make money out of it? Sit pretty at home, put those skills in writing, upload it in this very particular app, and start making money. It's not only Amazon that you can upload your books and start making money. Upload your book in this particular SApp app and start making money. Start making your cool money. Yes, guys, in this particular app, you'll be earning in different currencies. You'll be earning in dollars, you'll be earning in naira, you'll be earning in pounds, you'll be earning in euro. Yes. So when that money start coming, don't forget your girl. Yes, guys, you heard me. So guys, try it and thank me later. Don't sit at home and be doing nothing. Hence your phone is there, hence your data is there. Use it wisely. Make this money and thank me later. Don't waste that talent that God gave you. Don't sit at home and let that talent be wasted. Use it wisely. Upload those skills, put them in writing, and make money out of it. Yes, guys, very one is so sweet. This one you earn on a daily. In fact, you can actually make plenty money in a day on this particular one. No limit on the amount that you can make in this very one. This one is called Onesie App. Yes, this particular app, go to your iOS, go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, whichever one you have in your phone. Download it. Sign up on this app. remember important one. When you are signing up on this very app, remember to put in details, your account details, I mean account number. Yes, put in your account number in details, because when they start paying you, when it's time for you to withdraw, it's in your account that you're going to pay, not in my own account. So remember to put in your account details correctly. And when that alert start entering your account, bagam, remember your girl. Remember your girl, please. So how does this particular app work? On this Onesie app, every day they will give you a task. It's called gig in that particular app. So once they give you any gig, they might ask you to snap whatever thing you have in your refrigerator. Once you snap it and upload, it will write successful. They will credit you. You've already gotten money for that. How again does it work? They might ask you to go to a grocery shop or to go to any store of your choice where you are buying your groceries. Snap any item that you get from there and the receipt. So then finish. You start earning. Yes, guys, as good as that. So that is why myself, I don't know that play with snapping. If you see me buying any grocery in a store, I'm always snapping every single product that I'm getting there because I'm making money out of it. Yes, each product I lay my hands on, I snap it because I know I have a tax that requires such. You are doing your own tax and making money. That gig that I'm talking about, they might send you 1 or 2 or even more than 3 in a day. As you are doing them, you are earning from it. Yes, guys. So, guys, they might ask you to send what you get from a grocery store. Guys, snap it. If you bought so many items in that store, snap all of them. Upload to them. Why are they asking us to do this time? Because those companies, those brands need to get a review from us, the end users, on their products. They need to know how we view their products, if we're actually getting their products and why. So as you are giving that review, they are getting that feedback they actually need from their clients and from their customers, thereby improving wherever is necessary for them to improve. So by doing so, they are paying you. Take for instance Coca-Cola. You get Coca-Cola, you snap it. As you snap it, you upload. Once it's uploaded, it will write successfully. Guys already started making money from that particular Coca-Cola. Yes. So waste that your data, guys. Please don't waste that data. Use that data wisely. Use that data to make money. Use that data to cash out and thank me later. Yes, it's as good and simple as that. You can also make money in this very app by referral. You can make money on this app through referral. If another person uses your code, you also make money. This is very cool. Now, this is stress-free. You can actually sit pretty at home and be enjoying all of this juice and be enjoying all of this money. So this year, 2024, I've already told us, we are going to make it big. Yes. So, guys, that is it for this particular app. Please check out these apps and start making your own money. Check out this app and start cashing out those dollars. Yes, guys, it's very sweet. You know, when you make your own money, it's very, very sweet and interesting. You don't need to wait for anybody to foot your own bills. No, you pay your own bills, do your own thing. Travel, do those trips that you enjoy doing, do those get-together that you love to do. When you see other people are doing them, you'll be reasoning, now when will I do this? When will I do? Start making this money and start doing all of those things. Start making this money and start enjoying yourself. Start making this money and start living large and start living big. Start making this money and see yourself counting in millions, in thousands. Yes, guys. And start taking those trips that you dream of. Start making this money and start enjoying yourself and start cruising and start life. In my next post, I'll be talking about how you can actually make money, start up a business with zero capital and be making money. So guys, remain glued on my channel. Yes, remain glued on my channel for more of this juicy content. So see you in my next one. And don't forget also to support your girl by liking my video to help me go viral. Yes, please. And leave a comment on the comment section. Also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe on my channel, and turn on your post notification bell to let you know whenever I post a brand new video. See you in my next one. Bye.